In analyzing, step 1 is to read the sentence. Israel journeyed and pitched his tent beyond the Tower of Eder. Next, need to determine its form and use, or its class. A sentence may be declarative, interrogative, imperative, or exclamatory. Israel journeyed and pitched his tent beyond the Tower of Eder is a declarative sentence. Declarative because it makes a statement. Next is to determine whether it is simple, complex, or compound. This sentence is simple because it only contains one independent clause. It is already arranged in natural order, therefore we may skip to identifying the simple subject. Israel is the simple subject. This sentence consists of a compound predicate. The predicate is what the subject does or is, in this case what the subject does. Israel journeyed, an intransitive complete predicate, and pitched, a transitive active predicate. Journeyed, pitched. And back to the subject, Israel. The subject is who or what. Pitched is a transitive active verb. Transitive active verbs require direct objects. What received the action, or what was pitched? Tent was pitched. Beyond the tower and of Eder are prepositional phrases. Now we're prepared to begin diagramming the sentence. I'm going to draw out the diagram. Start with the baseline. Because we have a compound predicate, diagram slightly different than normal. Need to extend this line out a little longer. Subject goes comfortably close to the left edge of the baseline. Israel. Bisect the subject from the predicate. Israel journeyed. And Israel pitched. What was pitched? Tent. Whose tent? His tent. Where was it pitched? It was pitched beyond tower. Which tower? The Tower of Eater. The Tower of Eater. Elements in this sentence. We have a subject, and the other principal element, predicate. We'll brace those two. They are the principal elements of a sentence. Our predicate was intransitive. As well as transitive. What's the last verb type? Copulative. Okay, we have subject, predicate. We had a direct object, which is related to the transitive. So we'll stick it right there. We had a couple modifiers. His modifying tent, the modifying tower, we had prepositional phrases. Well, hope this has been a helpful grammar lesson. Hope to see you back soon.